What if I told you that AI and automation are not the same? Most people use these terms interchangeably, but that's a big mistake. In the next 2 minutes, you'll understand the difference forever. Welcome to Surman Code Hub. This is Chapter 2 of our AI automation series. Let's simplify AI and automation with real-life examples. What is automation? Imagine you receive a new order on your website. The system automatically sends a confirmation email. Nobody makes a decision. It simply follows the rules you created. That's automation. It follows instructions. It doesn't think. What is AI? Now imagine a customer asks, "Which laptop is best for video editing?" AI understands the question, analyzes the request, and generates a personalized answer. That's artificial intelligence. AI can understand, analyze, and generate content. AI automation. Now combine both. A customer sends a message. AI understands it and writes the perfect reply. Automation sends that reply instantly. This is AI automation. Smart thinking plus automatic execution. This is why companies around the world are investing in AI automation. It's helping them save time, reduce costs, and work smarter. In Chapter 3, we'll explore how AI actually thinks and generates answers. Subscribe to Surman Code Hub and continue your AI journey.